welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our awesome community. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Telegram app icon in just a few simple steps. Ready? Let's dive right in. First, launch your Telegram app. Easy peasy, right? Now tap on the settings tab at the bottom right corner. From here, scroll down and select appearance. Here, scroll down until you see the app icon section. Look at all these cool options. Which one catches your eye? Simply tap on the icon you like and voila, your Telegram app icon has a brand new look. How cool is that? If you enjoyed this quick tip, give this video a thumbs up and let me know how in the comments which icon you chose. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more fun and easy tech tips. See you next time.